The central ambition of this project is to explore the possibilities of understanding space through the use of the existing context and seeks to arrive at an understanding of future design in public architecture. The concept of our design is taking the film Playtime in 1960s by Yak Tati as an example, and to arrive at an idea rethinking our future workplace. We concluded two facts from this film. One is new introduced materials were largely used in the modes of building across this modern industrialized city, and another one is post office working system. Beijing has been chosen for our site. In a city like Beijing, the traffic issue is extremely serious and significant. The city is growing unhealthily, and increasing amounts of cars brings huge pressure to the traffic problems. The drawing shows the main business and commercial area where most offices located in Beijing. They are mainly situated along the railroads and some significant avenues. It's not hard to imagine how busy the traffic will be in the rush hours. If we zoom into the Dongzhimen area, where we focus on its specific characteristic, it divides into three different typology parts within Old Town, New Town, and Transport Hub. We can see the New Town in the middle is divided into some huge blocks within large distance communities, where the Old Town on the left is much smaller scale with much more friendly environment, but cars can hardly go through. It is critical to recognize that Transport Hub is second ring road, and Dongzhimen North and South Streets have played an important role in this area. Modern architecture standardizes our lifestyle, working in groups in glass tower building. According to a research, 70% of times that people spend in the office are wasted. In the near future, lifestyle is no longer boring. However, it goes straightforward. People don't have to walk in the same street, take the same bus, and go to the same office every day. Instead, life is going to be much more free and efficient. One of the most important aspects for the future workplace is efficiency in relation to our current city's constraints. In the near future, people will not have to spend such a long time to get to their office. Instead, people can work in any WORKCUBE in the city when they are just 5 to 10 minutes walk from home. The patch WORKCUBEs can be located in some very interesting corners that people never imagined before. Evenly distributed WORKCUBEs are able to ease our life and make communities much more close when people can meet different persons in the cube. The assumption of this future workplace change, and we specify WORKCUBEs in Old Town, New Town, and Transport Hub. These WORKCUBEs will serve differently corresponding to its existing context. In Old Town, WORKCUBEs can easily to create and serve a new community within existing buildings. However, WORKCUBEs are much more independent in New Town because of its larger distance community. Patch WORKCUBEs will run separately in terms of its near office blocks and their discrepancies. WORKCUBEs will perform as a high efficient and convenient workplace in Transport Hub. It will save a lot of time for those who are waiting for bus and trains. Instead of waiting, they can easily to access these WORKCUBEs and organize their business effectively. We believe the idea that a work of architecture will change the society and its surroundings, and it acts as a workplace, and simultaneously an approach to a new social representation of the city. Sustainability is also fundamental to our design, which affects social, usability, and economic considerations. Because of WORKCUBE size and its easy assemblage, we suggest that the main structure will be steel frame, and sandwich panel will be used for our interior and exterior wall partition. The main material for building's roof and window will apply photovoltaic glass. It serves as the exterior weather skin. And because it gains solar energy directly from the sun, then most of electricity for the office will be supplied by this renewable energy technology. Display glass screen will be used instead of using computer and other large digital equipment. Every WORKCUBE will have rainwater collection system. Rainwater will be collected through building surface, then filled into a collection tank for reuse. The recycled water will serve to the office as well as its near community.